Neither Surge Card nor Milestone has a reputation for being complaint-free. Both are credit cards designed for people with limited or damaged credit, and many customer complaints focus on fees, account servicing, billing questions, and customer support rather than the approval process itself. By the end of this video, you'll know which card tends to generate fewer common frustrations, and what you should compare before applying. Here's the short answer. There isn't reliable public data showing that Surge consistently receives fewer complaints than Milestone, or vice versa. Instead of assuming one is clearly better, compare the issues customers report most often and decide which trade-offs matter to you. Let's start with fees. Both cards may include costs that are uncommon on mainstream credit cards. Depending on the offer you receive, you could see an annual fee and other account-related charges. That's why reading the card agreement before accepting the offer is more important than looking only at the approval decision. Another area where complaints appear is customer service. Cardholders sometimes report delays when resolving billing questions, replacing cards, or handling account changes. Those experiences vary from person to person, so individual reviews shouldn't be treated as proof that every customer will have the same experience. Billing confusion is another common theme. Some customers misunderstand when fees are charged or how their available credit changes after account opening. Reading the pricing disclosures before activating the card helps avoid many of those surprises. If your goal is rebuilding credit, don't choose based only on complaint stories. Focus on whether the card reports payment history to the major credit bureaus, whether you can comfortably afford the fees, and whether you plan to pay your balance in full each month. Those factors will have a much bigger impact on your financial progress than isolated online reviews. Before submitting an application, compare your specific offer side by side. Look at the annual fee, purchase APR, credit limit, and any additional account fees. Two applicants can receive different terms, even when applying for the same card. So which card has fewer complaints in 2026? There isn't dependable evidence showing a clear winner. Both Surge and Milestone receive similar categories of complaints because they serve a similar market of credit-building customers. The bottom line is simple. Read every fee disclosure, compare the exact terms you receive, and pick the card with the lower overall cost if both approve you. If this comparison saved you time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other side-by-side credit card comparisons.